In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash in to GCash from BPI online banking. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to move money from your BPI account into your GCash wallet using the GCash app, and I'll also mention the option to do it from your BPI account if you prefer starting there. Keep your phone connected to a stable internet connection and make sure you're using the official apps for both services. Start by opening the GCash app. From the home screen, tap Cash In. This is where you'll see all the available top-up options. Choose local banks, then look for BPI in the list. Before you continue, make sure your BPI account is already linked to your GCash. If it isn't linked yet, you'll need to complete the one-time linking process in GCash first, which typically involves authorizing access with your bank for security. Once you've confirmed that BPI is linked, tap BPI and simply follow the prompts on your screen. Enter the amount you want to cash in. Take a moment to double-check the figure to avoid mistakes. You may see reminders about daily or monthly limits, potential fees, or processing times, depending on your profile. Review the details, then confirm the transaction. Wait for the success message. In most cases, the funds reflect in GCash almost instantly, but it can take a few minutes during busy periods. When it completes, consider saving a screenshot or the reference number as your receipt, just in case you need it later. If you prefer to start from your BPI account, you can also send money to your GCash directly from BPI online banking or the BPI app. Open your BPI account, look for the option to send or transfer money, and proceed to send funds to your GCash wallet by following the on-screen instructions. As with the GCash flow, review the amount and confirm the transaction, then check your GCash balance to make sure the money has arrived. A few helpful tips as you go. Always verify that you're on the official apps, never share your PINs or one-time passwords with anyone, and make sure the number or account you're sending to is correct before you confirm. If a transfer seems delayed, give it a little time and check your transaction history in both apps. For any errors or failed transactions, use the in-app help centers to report the issue with your reference number. That's it. You now know how to cash into GCash from BPI online banking quickly and securely.